right at home in the dozer. He loves to run dozer. Take this spruce too. Today's project is to tighten up those linkages in there on Dad's snowplow, because it won't lift up off the ground very high. Yes, apparently you need a tight snowplow to plow snow. So Jeff actually took this out yesterday, so I had to label what these different things were for, so I knew the orientation, what size bolts they need. Because you can see how wallowed out that is. That one's even worse. That one's wallowed out. That's wallowed out. But they used to have these little sleeves in there, I'm thinking. You can... And this one is gone. So is this one. That's what it used to look like. Well, I'm going to make... I drilled the holes. I'm going to weld some 1/2 inch thick things to the outsides of these. So there's a lot more there. Are you guys ready? Are you girls? Guys? Girls? Who knows in today's age? Let's make this happen. I can't put you on YouTube looking like this. Here, we don't want to, you don't want to have people see you that way. You still got red dust all over you, you know, from when I sanded the Kenworth. I don't really think it's overspray. There. Now. Oh no. You too? Red dust. This is my nice clean jacket that I use for weddings, but I'm going to use it today for this. That was supposed to fall off there. Can you see that? That's what's left of the bushings that were in there. Donut time. No frosting on this one. That's hot. Do not grab it with your bare hands. Oh, flame on. That's how you know you get a good weld when it starts itself on fire. Phew. Maroon paint. That's all that good. So I welded that donut on the outside, and that's what the hole is supposed to look like. I'm trying to find a sleeve. What'd I do with the sleeves? Oh, still on this bolt. I'm supposed to probably put a sleeve in here like this. So that's what was in there. I think I'm going to attempt to fill that all in and drill it out. Okay, so I filled in the hole with the weld. Time to drill it out. Yow! That's hot. That's hot! That's better. Ooh. Hey, you know what you do? You take your dirty glove and just roll your hot dog over. Dinner for one. Almost ready, huh? Kids, that's your brain on logging herpes. Now I'm back to this project. Snowplow project. Yeah. And that's the noise you hear. Yeah, I think that's warm. So this is the other side of that. That's what I just welded in. I'm trying to fill in that. So I'm trying something. I'm filling in, and I'm spinning the bolt every so often just to see, make sure it's not welded in there. Obviously I'm trying to keep the weld on this without touching the bolt. Well, I can still spin the bolt. Now I just got to get it out of there because I got a little chunk of slag on there. Well, I think I'm going to call that good. I ground it down a little there. So, I think that's good enough. I should tighten that up a lot. So I vice grip this plate on there to hold this bushing from going too far down in there. There's too much slop there. I'm just going to weld that bushing in there. Yeah, I am. Watch and see. Yeah, it's welded in there. Might as well weld the inside too. Well, I might as well do the other side as long as I have it. Or I might as well have done it, huh? Alright. Next on the agenda, just fix them wallowed out holes, huh? So I clamped it to the table, stuck this bolt in there. I'm going to fill in around the bolt without trying to weld the bolt in there. Well, I don't know. I might have welded the bolt. Let's try it. Yeah. Whoa. Yeah, that's not looking good. Well, let's try this. The electric impact. Ooh, I saw it turn. Perfect. Oh no. Who knew, I said, because of that. Huh. Well, that completely backfired. It stuck to the bolt. And not the base metal I wanted it to. That is not a win. Well, let's try this again. Well, I decided to make a couple more things here to weld on them plates. Oh well. Let's try that. Some 5-gallon pails gave birth to some ice. That was kind of cool. I'm going to be selling the Star of David on my Amazon account. I kind of butchered that one. I didn't give myself enough room on the edge of that piece. So yeah, I'm back to working on this because it's snowing outside. I need to put that bolt, this one long bolt, in there. I shouldn't have put that bolt and that bolt in this. I should have put this bolt in first, so I gotta take that all back apart. Well, I tried to cheat. I pulled this pin out. I thought I could rock this far enough to get that it would give me enough clearance to get that long bolt in there, but it doesn't look like it. Wow, that looks like snow clouds to me. Well, now I need to have that cylinder go in so I can hook up these links, but the bolts have to go in from this side. The cylinder's in the way, so I gotta hook it up to the pickup. So start getting stuff out of the way. Well, that was a fight. There's a pin in the bottom there that came out of it. Yeah, whatever. Let's see if I remember how to run this remote control. Power on. No? Both of them? Oh, something lit up there. Oh, something moved. Well, I think that moved it where I needed it. So the cylinder is up far enough out of the way that I could slip the bolts underneath. Now I need to get them on there. Which way do I need to go? No? No? Come on, you rotten thing. Oh, work. That worked. Just about when you're ready to give up. Must be getting close, huh? Oop, probably shouldn't drop the remote. Oh no, not that close yet. Come on. This thing is already, there it went. It's really testing my patience. I've got it close enough to get that one sorta in. Yeah, it's about 10.5 inches now. I guess it lifts it a little higher than it used to. Trying to hit the bound button, but it's not working. There it went. Trying to show you how this linkage works. That's the down pressure button. Come on, girl. Lift. I'll just hold it, and eventually it'll kick in a little bit. No? Come on. Anybody got a snowway? No? Do you want one? There, it kind of went. It goes and it stops, and it goes and it stops, even though I don't let off the button. So this remote is kind of cool, but I hate it all at the same time because it doesn't work. It used to work very good, but it's not working right now. Oh, as soon as I say that, you work, huh? Well, let's try it again. That's what I thought. You're moody. Go back on your meds. No? Not gonna work? never mind. So before the bolts, they just wore on this and this. Easily pounded them out. I added this, and I still need to tack that in or weld that in. And I did the same on this side. Still need to weld that, but I really tightened them up, give them a lot more wear. Did that. Trying to tighten this up. Must have worked somewhat. I'm gonna go ask Dad how much it used to lift off the floor. Well, that's good enough. It's welded. I'm calling this project done. Dad thought it used to be as low as 6 to 7 inches, and now it's what, 10 and a half, something like that. So gained a little bit. Hopefully that's enough. Oh, can't let that play. Come on, glow plugs. Oh, beautiful. Nice job. Do it again.